Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to report a TikTok. If you come across any content that violates TikTok's community guidelines, it's important to take action. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device.
Make any sense?
Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to report. While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen. This will pause the video. Step 3. Look for the report option, usually represented by a flag icon, on the upper slider or menu. Tap on it to access the report options. Step 4. Select the reason for your report from the available options. TikTok provides a range of categories to choose from, such as harassment, violence, or intellectual property infringement. Once you've selected the appropriate reason, tap on Submit to report the video. By reporting the TikTok, you're helping to maintain a safe and supportive environment for all TikTok users. TikTok takes reports seriously and reviews them to ensure that the community guidelines are upheld. Reporting inappropriate or harmful content helps to create a positive TikTok experience for everyone. Thank you for watching, and together, let's contribute to a safe and enjoyable TikTok community.